Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Postman on Windows operating system. So till now we have completed installation of Angular CLI and Visual Studio Code on Windows operating system. So if you haven't watched these videos, then you can go and watch my videos. So basically we are completing one series in which we are doing all the installations which are necessary for front-end and back-end development. So this is basically the series of all the installations, and after completing all the installations we are going to move forward with one simple project in which we are going to do some CRUD operations using Angular and service like Spring Boot. So this is the agenda for this series. So let me go to the browser and let me type download Postman and let me hit enter, and then here you will see the first link. Then you have to click on this link. So this link I will provide in description box, so you can directly click on that and you can come to this page. Now over here you will find this download option. So these will automatically recognize your operating system, like in case it is showing Windows operating system, but in case if it doesn't recognize your operating system, then what you can do, you can come here and you can see these options like download for Mac and Linux. So in case if it fails to recognize your operating system, then you can choose one of these options from given below. So in my case it is recognizing perfectly. So let me click on this, download the app, and it will start downloading. Like we need to choose these 64-bit and 32-bit options. So in this case my operating system is 64-bit, so I need to click on this and download will get started. So it is approx 100 MB. So let me pause this, because for the purpose of this video I have already downloaded this and kept it on my desktop. So let me go to my desktop, and here as you can see the setup file. So let me double click on these, and now you can see it is installing the Postman. So we need to give some couple of minutes to become installation is successful. So let me give some time. And as you can see, the icon on my desktop is created. That means installation is being successful. And now the installation is successful and it is opening this Postman application. Now as you can see, the application is opened and Postman is successfully installed on our Windows operating system. So procedure is quite same for Mac and Linux operating system as well. So if you are Mac and Linux user, then you can also watch this video. So this is how we can install Postman on Windows operating system. So the Postman is basically used to like test our service end. Like in case in service end we have different REST point, like if we take example like student application, then we have register student, we have read all the details of student, we have update details student. So in this case, to test the service end, we can basically go for Postman. So Postman is one of the popular app which helps us to test the REST API. So in the upcoming videos we are going to see how to use this, and we are going to do one proper project for this. So if you do not want to miss this video, you need to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my videos. So thank you for watching this video and subscribe to my channel. Learn programming yourself.